Hello, we're back. Hi, everybody.
Plus 2 equals 5.
Hello, we have Elias, Marius there, Ricardo, Nina, Santiago. Hi, Esther. How are you, mi amor? Her son is here as well. Great. Here we are here for our class of EFL, and we are going to prepare our books, page 46 and 47. Hi, Ariel. How are you? Hi, Arielito. Oh, you're chewing gum. Mira, ve. ¿Qué tal, mi amor? Bueno, nos vamos preparando. Let's prepare ourselves. Pages 46 and 47. Hello, Ricardo. Hi. Okay, let's prepare ourselves with our books. Pages 46 and 47. Let's get ready with our pencil. Let's see, we are 15 participants by now. Okay, I'm going to silence your microphone. Okay, please silence your microphones. Help me, silently your microphones, please.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, sweetie. Okay, let's silence our microphone. We are 17. Maybe we can wait a couple of more minutes, a little bit longer. Okay, we are here, several of you ready for your class. Okay, great. Remember, you need your pencil, your pen, your book, pages 46 and 47. Let me just check, as usual. Can you hear me? Write down on the chat, yes. Can you hear me? Please write down on the chat if you can hear me. Yes, oh, great. Okay, good. Thank you, Mia. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Hersen. Thank you. Yes, very good, Ricardo. Okay, thank you very much. You can hear me. Great. Okay, I think we're ready to begin our class. Remember pages 46 and 47, okay? Let me share my screen. Here we have our presentation this time. And we are going to begin our presentation for today. Okay, here we have it. Our lesson for today are comparative adjectives. If you have a look on your book, pages 46 and 47, you will see that we are going to practice with some adjectives, comparative adjectives. We are going to practice how to compare one thing to another or one person to another, right? or one thing to another. Comparative adjectives. Okay, let's begin. Our agenda for today is our welcome. What is an adjective? We are going to learn what is an adjective. Let me just have a look one thing. We are going to learn how, okay, we're here. Let's share again. Okay, we are going to learn what is an adjective. We are going to see some examples for our comparatives adjectives, and we are going to work on pages 46 and 47. Okay, let's continue. First of all, we are going to learn what is an adjective. What is an adjective? Well, an adjective is a word that describes. They are going to describe different characteristics of an object, of a person, of an animal, of a place. So, first of all, an adjective describes. Number two, as I just said, it shows your different characteristics. If you're tall, small, beautiful, intelligent, okay, different characteristics. If you have black hair or yellow hair. And finally, it is fun to know that we are different. Because of the adjectives, we can see that we are all different, but in a good way. It's really fun to know that we are different. Okay, let's continue. Here we have an example, a very nice example. The adjective is tall, and the second adjective is small. Okay, we can see here on the picture, he is 6 feet tall, and he is smaller than the first example. What are we going to do? We have the adjective tall, and at the same time, we have a formula or the steps that we are going to follow to transform this adjective into a comparative adjective. First of all, we have our adjective tall. Then we are going to add ER, and we are going to add than. Than is going to help us to compare. If we don't have than, we cannot compare, right? We can say Miss Annie is taller than Mr. Werner. Maybe it's not true, but it's an example, okay? We can say my mom is taller than my dad. Okay, that's another example. Now we have a small. The small is the same process. We have the adjective small, and we have ER, and we have than. So it's the same thing. We can say that my sister is smaller than me, for example. And then we have a comparison. Okay, let's have a look. Maybe we have another example. Here we have another example. Excellent. We have two more adjectives. Hard, like the rock, and soft as a teddy bear. Okay, hard, we have the example of the rock, and soft, oh, how soft, as a teddy bear. Okay, so we are going to transform it into comparatives. We are going to add ER, and we use than. Than is helping me to compare. We always need than. If you don't have than, you're not going to be able to compare. Okay, so we're going to say, the rock is harder than the teddy bear. Okay, the rock is harder than the teddy bear. Now let's switch and let's do the opposite. Let's take the teddy bear. So we are going to write the sentence and we are going to compare with the rock. My teddy bear is softer than the rock. And we are comparing two things. We are comparing the teddy bear and we are comparing the rock. You don't need to copy. We don't need to copy. Don't worry. They are asking me if we are going to copy. If you want to take notes, it's okay. But that is on you. If you want to take notes, it's okay. Right? Let's see the other one. We have here a very nice example. But there is one thing. We have a new rule. The adjective is dirty. Right? That's the adjective. Dirty. But the adjective ends with Y. You can see here that it ends with Y. Can you see it? Give me your reaction of fingers. Let me see that like. Do you see that we have a Y? Yes, thank you, Ariel. Do you see it? Can you see it? Dirty ends with a Y. Can you see that it ends with a Y? Show me your finger that you can see it. I like that you can see it. Okay, thank you very much. Very good. Okay, so the adjective is dirty. If dirty ends with a Y, we are going to cross it out, move it from there. We cross it out, and we are going to add IER. Always ER, than, like we just learned, but this time we are going to take away the Y, and we are going to add or change it for an I. So the sentence is going to say, my shirt is dirtier than my pants. We have a shirt, we have our pants. And the shirt is really dirty. So we are going to compare both of them. We take away the Y and we are going to say my shirt is dirtier than my pants. Remember that we need than to compare. Always remember that. Okay, let's have a look at our exercises. Let's go to page 46. Please, let's go to page 46. Open your books on page 46. Write a yes if you are ready with page 46, please. Send me a chat. Write down, yes, I'm ready. Let me see if you're ready with page 46. So write it down. Yes, Miss Annie, I'm ready. Yes, says Carlito. Very good, Ricardo. Here's Sonia. Yes, very good. Arielita, great job. Okay, we are ready on page 46. We are going to read the story first. The story, the title of the story is I'm Taller Than You. Follow the reading with me, please. Why are you so sad, Jake? I have a problem. John's taller than me. Harry's stronger than me. Lucy's faster than me. Don't worry, you are nicer than all of them. Thanks, Trudy. Okay, let's read it one more time. Let's see. Why are you sad, Jake? I have a problem. John's taller than me. Harry's stronger than me, really strong. Lucy's faster than me. Don't worry, you are nicer than all of them. Thanks, Trudy. Okay, here we can see that Jake is comparing with other friends that he has. So let's answer the sentences. Let's complete them and see how he compared himself. Let's see number one. Blank is stronger than Jake. Who is stronger than Jake? We read the story, and now you know who is stronger than Jake. Help me please with your answers. Write down on the chat the answer for question number 1. Who is stronger than Jake? Okay, very good. Excellent, Harry. Harry, excellent. Harry, then Harry, very good. Very well. Excellent. Harry is stronger than Jake. Let's see number 2. Who is faster than Jake? Let's see, according to the story. Very good, Carlitos. Lucy, excellent. Who is faster than Jake? Let me see. Who is faster than Jake? Carlito says Lucy. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Lucy is faster than Jake. Now let's see number 3. Who is taller than Jake? Very good, Carlitos. Excellent job. Very good, Arielita. Well done. Excellent. Who is taller than Jake? Mia. Well done, Mia. Very good. Nice answer. Okay. We all have the same answer. That number 3 says that John is taller than Jake. Very good. Excellent. That is on page 46. Here we have the answer. You can have a look at them. It says Harry is stronger than Jake. Number 2, Lucy is faster than Jake. And number 3, John is taller than Jake. Excellent. We all have the right answers, right? Okay, let's move on. Let's have a look over here. Yes. In our Light on Grammar section, page 46, we can see more examples. Here you have them. Example number 1, always comparing. Mary is taller than Judy. We are comparing Mary to Judy. And the adjective is tall. We add ER, than, because we need than to compare. Another example. My dog is bigger than yours. We are comparing our dog and your dog. Number 3, she is nicer than you. Okay, the adjective is nice. But nice ends with E. So all we have to add is R. Nicer. And then that is helping us to compare. So she is nicer than you. Then we have Ellie in our last example. Ellie is prettier than Molly, right, Arielito? You can see over here the example, right, Ariel? Ellie is prettier than Molly. The adjective is pretty. And remember that pretty ends with a Y. And we saw that we have to take away the Y and change it for an I. And we add ER, prettier than Molly. Okay, excellent. Let's see now. Here we have our table that you have at the bottom of page 46. We have the adjective and we have the comparative. So let's change our adjective and complete the comparative. We have them here already. So let's repeat and let's complete it in our chart. Page 46. We are completing page 46. The table of adjectives and comparatives. So let's see. Let's repeat. Dirty, dirtier. Good. Easy, easier. Fat, fatter. Very good. If you already finished adding ER to your adjectives, repeat with me for a nice pronunciation. Okay, let's practice. Small, smaller. Wise, wiser. Okay, last time. Dirty, dirtier. Easy, easier. Very good job. Fat, fatter. Small, smaller. Good. And the last one is wise, wiser. Okay, great job. Great job. Okay, I hope you already complete the last part of the adjective. Let's move on. Let's see what's next. Okay, let's go to page 47. Here we are on page 47. Please turn your page on page 47. We have more exercises. So let's see. We have our pictures at the top. Our characters are Carol, Simon, Nigel, Jane, Zoe, and Alex. Here in the presentation, we invited Zoe and Alex so they can help us to solve the exercises. So remember, our characters are Carol, Simon, Nigel, Jane, Zoe, and Alex. We can see the differences between them. So look at the pictures and let's try to answer our exercise. It says number 1. Is Carol taller than Simon? Is Carol taller than Simon? Have a look at the picture. Send me your answer. Yes or no? Is Carol taller than Simon? Okay, very good. Here we have some answers already. Excellent. Well done. It says no. No. Very good. Excellent. Yeah, Ricardo. Good job, Carlitos. Well done. Okay. The answer is no. She isn't. So we are going to circle the answer. Let's see number 2. Is Nigel younger than Jane? Is Nigel younger than Jane? Or older? Younger or older? Is Nigel younger than Jane? Yes or no? No. Okay, they said no, Chris. Very good, Carlos. Excellent. The rest of you that are sending your messages, well done. Okay, the answer is no, she isn't. Thank you very much for helping me with the answer. And the last one. Is Alex thinner than Zoe? Is Alex thinner than Zoe? Okay, very good. Here we have some yes. Yes. Let's see if everybody agrees. Yes, Arielita. Yes, Ricardo. Okay, do you agree that Alex is thinner than Zoe? Yes, Mia. Carlos says yes. Very good. Okay, let's see the answers. Let's have a look at the answers. Here we have the answers. Okay, I hope you circled all the answers. Number 1, no, she isn't. Number 2, no, he isn't. Number 3, yes, he is. Okay, those are the answers. Circle them on your book. Okay, circle them, please. Okay, great. Let's move on. We have 3 more questions. Our questions and answers on page 47. And we have some 3 adjectives which can help us to make those questions. We are going to write a question with older another with shorter, and another with fatter. And we are going to answer it, right? So we are going to write 3 more questions, but these questions must be depending on the pictures. Remember that the characters that we are using are Carol, Simon, Nigel, Jane, Zoe, and Alex. So our questions must be about our characters. You can write a question with older, comparing Carol and Simon, for example. Shorter, using Zoe and Alex. And fatter, okay, no, but older, you can use, is better, I think, Nigel and Jane, because they have a birthday cake, right? So we can write a question with older with Nigel and Zoe. For example, we can use older and we can say, is Nigel older than Jane? And the question will be, yes, he is. Remember, question and answer. Okay? Shorter. Shorter. We can ask help from Carol and Simon. And we could write a question like, for example, is Carol shorter than Simon? And you can have a look at the picture and then you can find the answer. Is Carol shorter than Simon? And the answer will be, yes, she is. And finally, with fatter, we can ask help from Zoe and Alex. And we can write the following question. Is Zoe fatter than Alex? Is Zoe fatter than Alex? And the answer will be, yes, she is. These are some suggestions of questions that you can write. Okay, here we have the examples that I just gave you. If you want to use them, it's okay. You can write them down on your book. If you want to change it a little bit, it's okay. Yes, Carlitos, you can copy if you want my own example. Or you can create your own examples, but with the same character. Okay, with Zoe, with Carol. You need to write questions with those characters. But I have here already some examples. So if you want, you can copy my examples from page 47. We can use these examples to complete exercise from page 47. So let's copy, and when you're ready, you write on the chat, yes. So I can know that you're ready finished. You can copy question number 1 and the answer, number 2 and the answer, number 3 and the answer. If you're done, write down yes. Say yes, write it down on the chat. Yes, if you already finished. So we can continue with the next part of the class. Say yes. Yes, yes, yes. So we can move on. Finished? Are we done? I'm waiting for your confirmation. Are we done? Yes? Okay, time to move on. Let's see. This is always in Light of Grammar, page 47. Let's read together the short paragraph that we have over there on page 47, Light on Grammar. It says, is your brother older than your sister? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are they shorter than you? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. As you can see, we have the short answers. And those short answers could be yes or no, right? And the brief or short answer of is, isn't, right? We say are or aren't. Let's read it one more time. Page 47, light on grammar. And the paragraph says, is your brother older than your sister? Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Are they shorter than you? Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. They are asking you those questions. So you can circle the answer according to your own family. Is your brother older than your sister? But Miss, I don't have a brother or a sister. Okay, think of someone else in your family that has a brother and a sister, and you can compare them and you circle the answer. Yes or no? Are they shorter than you? Think about your family, right? Are some of them shorter than me? And you circle yes, they are, or no, they aren't. So the answers on this exercise depends on you, but you just circle yes or no. Then we have complete the question. Here we have our own paragraph, and we are going to complete this paragraph. We have our own paragraph, okay? And we are going to complete it. So it says, are you older? Blank your friends. Blank you're stronger than your dad. Is your mom taller than blank dad? Let's try to answer it on our own. I will give you 1 minute to complete and fill up the blanks with the words that you believe or you think are the correct one. And then we are going to see the answers and you can check your own answers and make the corrections. So we have 1 minute to fill up the blanks with the words that you think belong here, right? Remember everything we have learned. Remember verb to be, remember than, remember subjects, are you, he, she, it. Remember everything that we have learned, and let's complete and fill up the blanks. Okay, let's see here. Try to fill up the blanks. I will give you a minute, and then I will show you the answers, right? If they are correct, excellent. If you need to make a correction, we just do it, okay? Let's complete it. Let's do it with our own ideas. What do you think we need to write over here? Okay, finish, finish, finish. Several of you already finished. Okay, let's have a look at the answers and check the answers. Here we are. Are you older than your friends? Remember that I told you that we need than in order to compare? Then at the beginning, all the questions begin with an auxiliary. Here we are talking about two people. That's why we use are. Are you stronger than your dad? Is your mom taller than your dad? Okay, excellent. Those are the answers. Very good, those who are sending me the answers. And thank you for sharing that you already finished. So these are the answers for our final questions. And I hope you already completed. And that way we finish with our presentation. Just our closure, I want you to remember, please, that adjectives describe and they show us how differently beautiful we are because you are beautiful. Always remember that. You are beautiful. We are all different, but we are all beautiful. So they show us how differently beautiful we are. We all have beautiful characteristics. Everybody have beautiful characteristics. And God created us perfect. Never forget that, okay? That God created you perfect and beautiful. Look at the mirror and you will see all those beautiful characteristics that you have. God loves you and I love you too. So I hope you like the presentation. We finished with these 2 pages and all the exercises, right? So great job. Excellent work. We are going to stop sharing. And we are back. And we are going to allow you to open your microphones. If you have a question, if you have a doubt, I can help you right now. No, Carlitos, excellent, well done. Do you have questions?
No.
No? Did you like the presentation?
Yes. Yes.
Was nice, right? Adjectives is a beautiful topic. Okay, remember what I told you, right? You have beautiful characteristics. Who created you? Do you know who created you? Who created you guys? ¿Quién los creó? Who created you? A ver, aquí me mandan ya las respuestas. A ver, say it on the microphone. Who created you? ¿Quién los creó, mis amores?
God.
God. Very good. God created you. And they created you how? ¿Cómo los creó? You are beautiful. Excellent. Beautiful. Yes. And God created you guys beautiful. A los chicos me los creó handsome. Muy guapos. Y a las chicas, beautiful, hermosas. Okay, babies, this was our class of EFL. Remember to send me your pictures, right? Photos of your work. And if you have any other question, then you can write to me on a message. Okay? God bless you, sweeties. Goodbye, and see you next class.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye. God bless you.
Las teclas.
Bye bye.
Diego, se te ve la mitad de la cara. Ya, 3, 2, 1. Ya empecé a quitar la lista con
Oh, and we don't have to do anything on the notebook, okay? Don't worry, we're working on the notebook right now. Okay, bye, sweeties.
Second.